Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. If you're in the market for a reliable, heavy-duty blender jar, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to take a close look at the Restaurantware Hi Tek 64-ounce commercial blender jar. Whether you're running a busy restaurant, catering event, or just need a durable jar for your high-powered blender, this product might be exactly what you're searching for. The Restaurantware Hi Tek 64-ounce blender jar is designed for heavy-duty commercial use, making it ideal for blending large quantities of ingredients, whether it's for smoothies, juices, or other high-volume tasks. Made from Shatterproof Tritan plastic, this jar promises durability, even in the most demanding kitchen environments. Measuring 8.113 inches in length, 6.5 inches in width, and 12 inches in height, it offers ample space for preparing larger batches without worrying about spills or overflows. It's a perfect fit for caterers, restaurants, or anyone who needs to blend big quantities quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features of this blender jar is its precision S-shaped blade. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the blade is designed to effortlessly crush and blend ingredients with precision. Whether you're working with tough frozen fruit, ice, or leafy greens, the blade's sharpness ensures smooth results every time. This feature is especially useful for achieving that perfect consistency without the need for multiple blending cycles. Now, when it comes to real-world usage, I put this blender jar to the test. I paired it with the coordinating heavy-duty blender sold separately and tested it with various ingredients. First, I blended a batch of frozen fruit for smoothies, and the results were impressive. The blade easily crushed through the frozen chunks, resulting in a silky smooth texture with no chunks left behind. The Tritan plastic material lived up to its shatterproof claim, and I didn't have to worry about it cracking or breaking even during heavy use. I also tried making fresh juices, where the jar handled the juicing process effortlessly, showcasing its versatility. However, during my second batch, I noticed that the jar didn't handle some of the heavier, tougher vegetables as easily as it did with fruits and ice. While it still did the job, it required a bit more time to get the perfect consistency. This is something to keep in mind if you're looking for a jar to handle the toughest ingredients with ease. In terms of build quality, the Restaurantware Hi Tek blender jar is solid. The Tritan plastic is impact resistant, ensuring longevity in a commercial environment. The jar feels sturdy, and the material doesn't show signs of wear and tear after heavy use. However, it's not entirely indestructible. Like any plastic material, it could eventually show signs of aging if subjected to constant extreme conditions. But overall, it's built to last and should perform well for a long time. When it comes to performance, the blade's precision is a major asset. It consistently produces smooth blends with minimal effort, making it a reliable choice for high-volume blending. However, while the blade excels with most ingredients, there is a slight drawback when it comes to blending denser, fibrous vegetables. These might require a longer blending time or some additional effort to get a fully smooth consistency. So if you're working with ingredients like kale or thick greens on a regular basis, that's something to consider. For the price, the Restaurantware Hi Tek 64-ounce commercial blender jar offers good value for a heavy-duty commercial-grade blender jar. It's priced higher than consumer-level blenders, but considering the durability, high-quality materials, and the fact that it's designed for heavy commercial use, it stands out in terms of performance and longevity. Of course, the cost is a factor, but if you're running a business or require a high-performing jar that can withstand the rigors of daily, high-volume use, this product is a solid investment. Comparing this to other blender jars in the same category, you'll find that there are similar options on the market, but not many offer the same level of durability and precision at this price point. The closest competitors are typically made from lower quality plastics or feature less effective blades that might not blend ingredients as efficiently. While some alternatives may come at a lower price, they often lack the same durability and high-quality construction, which can end up costing you more in repairs or replacements down the line. When considering the build quality, this blender jar really stands out. The Tritan plastic is a huge plus. It's shatterproof, which is essential in a commercial kitchen where accidents happen frequently. And while the blender jar isn't entirely indestructible, it's clear that the manufacturer has focused on durability, which should keep it in service for many years in a professional setting. The precision blade adds another layer of reliability, offering consistent blending results that should last through many uses. As for customer support, I didn't personally have any issues requiring assistance, but Restaurantware has a solid reputation for quality commercial kitchen products. If you do need assistance, you can expect prompt and helpful service, though the need for support may be rare given the product's overall durability and straightforward design. Finally, wrapping up the review, the Restaurantware Hi Tek 64-ounce commercial blender jar is an excellent choice for those in need of a reliable, heavy-duty blending solution. It offers great durability, precision, and performance, especially in a commercial setting where high-volume tasks are the norm. While there are some minor drawbacks when dealing with the toughest ingredients, it overall delivers on its promises and provides excellent value for the price. If you're in the market for a commercial-grade blender jar that can handle big batches and tough ingredients, this product should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you've got any thoughts or questions about the Restaurantware Hi Tek 64-ounce commercial blender jar, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Until next time, take care and keep blending smoothly with Reviews Inside TV.